Hi, I'm Mohammed from Rhenso, and today I'm going to show you our new Grasshopper component A.P.E definition within a simple workflow. On my screen, you can see one of our examples for a basic multi-story house. You can easily download it from our website, and let's have a look on the component and how to use it. First, we need to define our A.P.E block. Just right click on the component and choose select A block. The component now gives you all the parameters were stored before in the A block. In our example, we can see roof angle, roof rotation, roof color, and width of the house. You can freely start manipulating them. The component also tells you the range of each parameter. If you by any chance exceeded this limit, you will get this friendly warning message and the block won't go over its limits. Let's also have a look on this. This is one of the powerful features the component supports, is setting multiple planes for one block. This populates your block on every plane and you can manipulate all of them at once. As AdaptivePart's environment works really well with lists, you can set up a list to manipulate your blocks. In our example, I'm setting a random list to manipulate the roof angle and story count. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and looking forward to everyone getting the full potential of our new features. Thank you so much.